Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we'll learn the pure virtual function in C++. So yes, first I share my laptop screen and here fix the position so you can watch better my video lecture. And here Turbo C++, I double click and take some process. And now yes is open Alt F file menu, and here we can taking our goal, write a program to print product detail using pure virtual function. Yes, so here we can use the pure virtual function. So yes, pure virtual function means that definition not used by itself, that class object of that class. So that is a like a do nothing placeholder, just only as a placeholder, that not any definition of that function. So let us start. So here we can take the multiple inheritance. Yes, so yes, we can start to our coding. So io string dot h, yes, and then we can also use the conio dot h, and we can also use the gettS function to scan the product name. So standard input output, okay. And also we can use the string handling function to our constructor to copy the product name, passing to main to the appropriate constructor. So here string.h also is required. So 4 header file is required. And now our main base class is a product. So yes, that name is a product, and here we can define the protect member. Yes, protect. So here integer that product ID, yes, PID, that integer, then character 1D array, that product name, and float, that the price, yes, product price. So yes, that now we can define our public, and that is a, product constructor, and that parameterize. So first is a, we can say that product ID. So here we can supply the x, any variable name, then product uh, name, that is asterisk n, and then our price, so float, yes, and price we have to take, so x, and here I take the y, okay. So now yes, let us assign to our members. So PID equal to x, then strcpy string copy function, so name of product and that n, so yes, n copy, and then price of product, so assigned to y. Yes, so that constructor is ready. And here now we can define that is a do nothing, and that is a pure virtual function. So here that is return type void and show, and that is no any we can say that definition. So that is a just here we can assign, and that is a pure virtual function. So equal to 0, that is a not any body part, that is meaning, and that is a we can say that pure virtual, yes, pure virtual function. So that is a some time we can say that abstract class means that definition not any object to access, because that is a do nothing, that not any body part, so just as a placeholder. So now we can define to our second class, and that is we can define like our computer, yes, that is a computer, yes, and public we have to inherit the product class, okay. Then yes, I semicolon, and now that's member, and that here we can also define that product quantity, yes, so integer, yes, I give one tab, so one yes, two tab, so qty quantity, yes, then uh, we can float in amount amt this, that is a private, and now public, that we have to take computer, yes, that is class name, and that product, and that member take by. So here we can uh, parameterize constructor, and we can pass to our like integer, and that is x, yes, then character, uh, n, and then float, that is y. So here we can pass x, n, and then y. Yes, that is base class member. And now it's is a member is only quantity q. Okay, so we can first letter, and then we can assign to here. So qty equal to q, number of quantity of products. So that is only one. Yes, and now here we can define show, that is the same signature of our base, and just declaration we can print uh, our product detail of computer products. Okay, so you can give any product name. So yes, that is a finish, and I copy this class, yes, and paste to our next product. So any number of product you have to take here, our simply city. So we can take like electronic item TV, and then product same, then quantity amount is same, yes. Then here we can define the TV, yes, and then same, yes, no change is required. So that is the same show in that is a multiple inheritance. So product class inherit in computer and TV, and now we can define that member function definition. So yes, return type is a void, and computer is a first over, and then scope resolution and show is a member name. And here we can print to our product detail. So just first we can give the message. So yes, here uh, computer product details, that type of message, and here and l, yes. And now we can print to product detail. So yes, first is a id of that. So yes, that is a PID. Yes, because that is a uh, protect member. So we can print here because that is a inheritance our computer class also, because that is a protect member. And then we can provide only and L, and only one cout. You can also take other now product name. Yes, so we can computer product details. So here we can directly print the name. Yes, so that is name member, or product name is that class itself. So we can say that company name. Yes, no, so because computer is set is a product name. So company name, yes, that company is which company, that holding. So yes, here we can change the C name, company name. Okay, and yes, now there is no any change. Yes, so here, yes, now, so here we can print the C name, not product name, but company company name. Okay, that company name, and again that and l, yes, and then we can say that uh, price, so price of that product, and that is a price member, and then again and l, and then quantity, quantity, yes, that is a itself member, and qty, and then and l again, and then last our amount. So amount we have to find, yes. So amount is a not we have to calculate. So AMT, yes, how it's find. So here we can directly find. So yes, here. So we can say that AMT equal to amount. So on price multiply quantity QTY. So that find the amount. So yes, that finish. Yes, all are well. And let us take here also and L. So yes, now I copy this all to our second class show member, and that we have to change our class, and here is a TV. So TV, yes, and that is a, here we can say that TV product detail. Yes, so that ID, company name, price, that all are same members. So we can benefit and directly start to our void main. Yes, and here we can pass to appropriate parameters. So we can first pass the ID. So here we can also take X. Yes, that is an integer. Then product name is then quantity is float. So yes, only one integer, then character, and then name. So here we can take 20 character company name, and float, that is a uh, price. Just P is a not, because our product detail is there. So we can give like Y, yes, and then yes, quantity is also we have to pass. Yes, so that is an integer type. So yes, here we can also the as a Q quantity. So four parameter. Yes, and now clear the screen. Yes, so here we can like enter. So enter product ID. Yes, and scan C in, that is a X, and then I copy and paste four times, because we have to pass product name, but here we can use the get s. Yes, so name, and then that is a, yes, here it's not there, because yes, I just cut and here paste. Okay, so here I deleted, and here also deleted. Okay, so here ID is there ready, and name, product name, no, company name, product company name. So computer is also itself is a, okay. So yes, company name, scan, and then that price we have to scan, and that is a y variable, and then quantity. So I just copy and paste. So here you can quantity, and that is q. Okay, now we can pass to our constructor. So yes, first here yes, already we can company product detail all are. So here first our class is a computer. Okay, and then C1 and pass to all details. So first is the X, then name, yes, then Y, and then Q quantity. So that is a, yes, pass, and same way I copy, because we have to again copy all these things and paste to a second class TV. So yes, that is ID. Yes, that is same variable we have to use, and that here we can change. So TV class and that T1 object. Okay, and now we can our base class pointer. So that is a product and asterisk, and then 1D array. So P of 2, because we have to call 2, and then P of 0, that taking the address of first our ampersand C1 computer, that address, and then P of 1, that taking the ampersand T1. So that is child taking the means that base class uh, pointer to array type. Pointer is array type, means that we can define 1D array, and pointer of array we can say that. So here we can store 0. First element is the address of our computer product, means computer class, and then TV class in the second element. And now we can call. So yes, we can call to directly that appropriate. So here that 0 and arrow operator, and we can call the show function. Yes, and then product of 1, that yes, here it's 1, and then that show member is called. So yes, that is a parent's right to call that child, but that is a inherit also. It's that is a duplicate, means that pure virtual function. So yes, let us first I save this file. So here pure, so p pure pure virtual function dot cpp, maximum 8 character is there. So p virtual ver, just first 3 letter and function. So that's save. Yes, let us take any. So here is a both class is a base class is a product. So we can say that multiple inheritance. And here we can define the show as a same signature. So that is a base pointer we have to, that is rules. We can take the base pointer and that child is called to that same signature of that member function. So then and then that is overriding. So here is also show is come, but we can store the address of base class. So here that call that version of copy. So here product is a like a pointer that we have to define that class object, but that member definition is not. So that is a just do not, and that is a pure virtual function, and that is also called the just placeholder. So here is a show is a placeholder and pure virtual function as a role of that here our product detail. So yes, I first compile any error is there. So let us take, yes, there is a no any error. So here pure virtual our exe file is generated, and let us take I control F9 run. So yes, product enter product detail, but we can give the also message computer product detail. Yes, so you have to, and then company name. So we can give the HP or any company name. Then price, so like 25,000. Okay, price of uh, computer. So we have to mention that which product price, and then quantity. Yes, I give two, and then second product. So two, I that you can give. Let it TV is there, and then company name. So we can say that Sony. Uh, Sony, yes, or any company name, and then that price. So like 15,000, and quantity is also two. So yes, that all are price multiply quantity. So 25 multiply two, so 50,000. And yes, here is a we can give the message TV product detail and computer product detail. Yes, that perfectly print. But our scanning time we cannot give the message. So yes, we can also pass here one message so user can identify. So where is there? So here we can give the message so that user can enter. So here we can say that uh, computer product, yes, product uh, detail. Okay, and then enter. So here we cannot write product. Okay, remove this product. The computer product detail we can enter, and here enter company. So we can change all message. So that price, yes, and then quantity of products. So computer products. So we every time not write product. Okay, and here we can also pass the one message and same. So we can say that TV product detail. Okay, and then here we can also add a new line, and here also remove the product call message, because now we can give the product TV product detail. So ID, company name, and then price and quantity. Four member we have to scan, and one is a calculate amount, quantity multiplies price. So that is a we can, yes, that is very important. So here pointer to array type, pointer is a array type, and pointer to or number of pointers, pointer of arrays, you can say that. and here that store the base class that child address, and then we can call the pure virtual function of that copy. So here our base class is a pure virtual function, that is a not role of any, so that is a pure virtual function, okay, just as a placeholder, or we can say do nothing, that sometimes that call as a do nothing. So that is a not any role, just our runtime choice we have to implement is a that computer show is called that base class pointer, and that is a must be, that is a rules. We can take the pure or virtual function concept to base class pointer and call to that child show, or means that uh, duplicate or same signature overriding of that member we can call of this base class pointer. So here multiple inheritance, yes, so we can do product, you can take also a number of more product. Here computer and TV is a just example, means that taking one example for you, so you can get the idea. So yes, now that is perfectly we can take, and that is a, we can also take one for loop, but that is a directly only two member is there, so we can directly call this type of, okay. So now just write this program to your pure virtual function and multiple inheritance. So that is our product class, yes, and pure virtual function we can apply to this our product detail. So that is our base class, and protect member. Yes, here we can define the protect member. So product ID, company name, and price, and three parameterized constructor. And here we can use the strcpy string handling function, and then pure virtual function we can apply the concept, and here quantity and amount, that is our computer product, and product class is inherited, then amount we have to find in show method. So that is a show is a duplicate same method as a base class, so there are two version, but here we can take the derived class version, so we can base class pointer to array type, yes, because that is a multiple inheritance. So TV product is also that is same product is detail, and then same we have to quantity and amount, and then four parameterized constructor and three parameter of is base class passing, and show, yes, same show member, and show we can first calculate the amount and then computer product detail, and then here same, that is TV show version, means that all detail of TV product, and then main we can scan four member, two integer, product ID, product company name, yes, and then price, yes, here one line, so that, and quantity, so we can first pass four parameterized computer C1 object, and then uh, again scan, and then TV T1 for constructor, and then pointer to array type, yes, and that we can take the base child means derived class address and two element and print and call the show method. So yes, that is perfectly. So now I think you have to understand. So I all summarize, and now I close this file for your reference. So yes, I last time run also, yes, for your reference. So here perfectly we have to, yes, I give some different ID and company name. So here we can say that uh, like so many companies there. So yes, computer we have to find out many company. So HP we have to also previously, and that I give the different price like 23,000 and two, or like three, yes, then ID of second, so 102 or any, then we can give the company name, so like Videocon, uh, Videocon, yes, I think that perfect, and that price, yes, any price. So at 20, not 20, but 18,000. Okay, no any problem. And two quantity. So yes, that perfectly print of amount. Okay, so You can different company name or all price, that also all are perfectly. So yes, now I close this session. So here we can implement multiple inheritance and using the pure virtual function and base class pointer to array type and store that child to address. That is very important. So yes, now I complete this session. So yes, close file and quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok Sijalai, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture, and Hare Krishna.